Hi, welcome. You're on my ISO builder, as I call it. And this machine, well, is recording with a webcam, so it's going to be sound a little bit different. I have this idea, right? We have our pacman. So this is the file, the ATT pacman.conf, that rules our system, rules our pacman application. And down here, we've changed the order. So first ArcoLinux, and then later on any ArcoLinux related. There's also the hefter repo that you can still enable from Brad. But there is also something else. There is also something that we have in for wallpapers. Let's see if we can find it. So I just wanted to add my old wallpapers back on my system. And it's called submicron. Let's see if we can find it. Anniversary present from ArcoLinux, yes. How to get your submicron wallpapers back. Now for people who, well, are new to this project, you'll see, hey, this doesn't look nice. Gonna edit this right now. All right, that's fixed. So if you reload it now, it has some enters behind it. But basically, this is all we need. So the rest is something we already have. So if you go and have a watch, have a look. So this I don't want to type in here because I can't copy paste in here. So I'm gonna go to etc pacman.conf, enter, and in here you'll find the repo testing, the repo third party. You'll recognize this particular bit, right? Extra large third party is here, and so on. So cool. The thing we need, if we don't have an R pacman, is this line, Control C. So we can add it like this. We can delete Brad's repo and do it like this. And that's one thing, but there is also Control Alt E, which is the graphical application, the tweak tool, which basically is going to do the same thing. I always say what happens inside these things, inside these graphical user interfaces, it results always something in here, right? Something that's there. So let's not copy paste it in here. So agree, and I copy paste in here. Apply custom repo, and then you see it's the same thing. It's just a copy paste, but this is nice. So what did we do? Well, basically, we've added another repo. Update. We see here submicron, which means there's lots of things, and maybe it's best to go via PAMAC to the categories, to the repositories, and to the submicron. This is what's extra. Wallpapers of this particular resolution. Maybe you have this resolution, or that one, or this one. For me, it's this guy, right? This is my, no, 1920 and 1080 is what I want. This one. This one is suitable for me. And these guys are old wallpapers that from time to time you like to see back, right? You want to enjoy it again. So you can install them. Yes, sure, apply. And then later on, where will they be? They will be in user share in the backgrounds. Backgrounds. Here they are. And I can have a quick look at all the different versions. Particularly like this one, very much. But there are other beautiful things like this guy, I like that one too. It all depends on the mood of your day, right? But this is about getting other repos in your system, and particularly one of ours. All right, cheers.